Hey, it's Albert here with ClickFunnels Supports. We're going to go over your solution for your GET response. So we did try it on our side and it worked, but we had to come to this area to your API keys. So when you log in, go ahead and look for this menu here, and I'll just click it again here. So you'll click this and you're going to look for integrations and API. All right, you just click that. It's going to take you to this page here, and then go ahead and just click API. And then you're going to want to come up here to generate a new API key. Okay, so go ahead and generate a new API key. It'll take a moment. And then go ahead and grab that new API key. Okay, and then go ahead and head over to back to your ClickFunnels account. So as you see, I got the same response here. So that's why I'm going through this process with you here. So, all right, so I'm going to refresh my page. All right. Oh, here, let me click out of this. All right, here we go. So what you're going to do is just come here and get your old API key, and then go ahead and then place your new API key. Okay, place the new API key, and then go ahead and hit Add Integration. Obviously, make sure you're logged in to your GET response here. All right, and then go ahead and go through that process, hit Add, and then let us know if you have a positive result. Okay. All right. Thanks.